In this video, I will show you how to change TikTok account location to US. First of all you have to do now, just wait to the end of this video. Now I will show you how to do it without using any VPN on your phone. So to start, all you have to do now, after you open your TikTok like this, now tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile like this, now tap on this menu at the top right side. After you tap on this menu, now go to the settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, now all you have to do now, tap on this one, it says account, this one, the first option, account. So under this account now, go ahead and tap on this account information. As you can see now, under this account information, now you can be able now to see all the information about your account. As you can see here, it says user account. So now here is my phone number I use, my Gmail, and my current country. As you can see here is it. So all you have to do now, at the bottom here it says contact information. So all you have to do now, tap on this where it says country. As you can see here is it. This one, tap on this account region. Here is it, tap on it. So after you tap on this account region, as you can see now it will allow you to select different country on your TikTok account. As you can see now, here is it. As you can see here, it says select country or region. So now here is different countries. As you can see now, all these are different countries. Now you can go ahead and choose the country that you want to use. So in this video, which says we want to use US, so as you can see here is the US. As you can see now, here is the US. Now you can go ahead and select the US, and if you tap on the US, now it will prompt you to just tap on the OK, and it will allow you to choose your country as US. That's it guys, on how to change your country or region to US or any other top tier country like Uganda or less like United Emirates. As you can see, you can just change it to different country you want. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and ask question in the comment. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.